Hi, so we're going to learn how to replace and make a puzzle reveal using the template. So your first step is you want to go to File, make a copy, and then you can name it whatever you want. Whatever makes sense for you. Okay, so you want different content and probably a different meme. So first we're going to start with what picture you want. Okay, so you want to go find whatever picture. I usually just Google. So let's say you want a teacher meme. And you can do it subject specific. Okay. And okay, so let's take okay, I'm just going to take a screenshot. That's usually how I do it. Or snippet, really, is what it is, snippet. And for me, I know it saves to my desktop, so I have it there. So make sure you know where you just saved whatever image. And then you're going to go to pinetools.com split image. Pinetools.com split image. And I'm going to choose a file. My desktop. There it is. That's the one. That's the one I'm going to chop up into little pieces. Okay, and you can see it shows up there. Make sure it's the right one. Okay, you want to do both. You want to split. You want to make a grid. So you want vertically, you want 4, and horizontally 3. That way it's going to fit in the template that I've made. All right, so it's 4 by 3, and then split image. Okay, it splits it all for you. I usually just download the whole zip file. You can download them one by one if you like. And just make sure you know where it's saving. You do want to click and make sure it's going to open. Okay, so it's all there. You're going to need those in a minute. Okay, so make sure you know where those are. I'm not going to close it. I'm just going to minimize it. Okay, so now I have my picture that I'm going to use in my puzzle. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of these and replace it with whatever meme you like. So I need to go to this second page, the swag page. That's where I put my picture. If you can't see it, sometimes it's hidden. You want to go to View Hidden Sheets. But it should be there for you. So click on it. And you have to scroll down and find the original image. I, on purpose, have it way down near the bottom. There it is. So that the kids don't see it automatically. Okay. Now, that's the old image. I'm just going to click in there. And then Insert Image in Cell. And I'm going to go find my row 1, column 1. There's my folder with all. You don't want the zip, you want the folder. Row 1, column 1. And you can see it's going to replace. I'm going to double click, insert image in cell. And again, I'm going to go find the second one, row 1, column 2. Okay, and you can see it's replacing, and you're going to keep doing that and replace all of them. I'll replace one more. Insert image in cell. And row 1, column 3. Okay, and again, you're going to keep doing that. Now you're going to be on row 2, column 1, etc. So you're going to replace all of those. Okay, so once that's done, that's step 1, then you need to reformat for your content. Okay. I like hiding this, so when you're done, I usually will go to View. Actually, no, you can click on it, I think. Yeah, Hide Sheet, because I don't want the kids to see it. So you can see it's not there anymore. Now it's there for you. For you to find it, just go back to Hidden Sheet, and there it is. View Hidden Sheets, and you can see it again. Okay. So you can see it's already starting to replace, but I haven't changed my content. Okay, so how to change the content? You can just change whatever directions by clicking here You change the directions to whatever you like. You can give them a word box or whatever directions about format. Maybe you want all capitals, maybe no spaces, things like that. So whatever your directions are. Insert, whatever directions here. Okay. Then you need to change what the answers are. So here I have a picture. If you don't want a picture, you can just delete and you can type in your new question. Or if yours is also going to be a picture, again, you would insert image in cell. And then hopefully you've picked out your images. Okay, so your new question or your new image, what have you, can go here. Okay, now, so I don't have them in order. I don't like this showing up in order. So you can click on the box over here. I'll start with this first one. And I want to have, I can see the formula up here. Okay, so this is connected to B13. B13, so B13, mixture. Okay, and you can see that's one of the answers. So let's say my new answer, my new thing is, and again, notice I didn't go in order here, but I mean, my new answer is going to be, I don't know, 5. Okay. All right. Well, I have to connect it to that. So now I can go back to here, click on the actual picture, and you can see the old answer was mixture. And the new answer is going to be 5. You can even put 2 answers in, like I have a many or, whatever, or 5. Either one will give you. So you can have 2 possible answers. Okay. I usually have like a red herring in there. That the many for me was a red herring. You can try this again. The next one, again, you need the formula. If you don't see the formula, you can go to View, Show Formulas. Right, and it's easier here. I wouldn't mess around in these boxes. It's easier to see it up in the formula bar, and you can change it. This is E13. E13. So mixture is the correct answer. Maybe you're going to change it to, I don't know, simile. Right? Or you're doing vocab. Okay. And then for when they get it right, instead of putting mixture in, they're going to put in simile. And then I want to be able to see the pictures now, so I'm going to go back to view. I'm going to get rid of that so they can see. Okay. And you keep practicing. I always make sure that the answers work. And then when I give it to the students, I will delete the answers. Or sometimes I'll leave one answer up. Okay. So whatever this one was. So sometimes I'll leave that up as an example. Okay. So again, as they type in their answers, let's say here, I think it was 5. Yep. And here was simile. As they type in their answers, it's going to give them feedback, instant feedback, which is, a good part of differentiation, giving them that self-corrective tool. Okay. When you give it to your students, again, I usually hide the formula bar as well, because I don't want them seeing the answer to show up in that formula bar. So I, again, view, hide the formula bar, and I usually hide this sheet, so that's gone. Okay. And again, I will get rid of the answers so they don't see those. And then I would assign it to students in Google Classroom, and I would make each student a copy. When I go to grade in Google Classroom, it's very easy. I can see if the picture's there or not. If part of it's incomplete, I can take a look at which ones they're having trouble with. Okay, I hope that helps. Good luck.